This course is about how to create visual narratives in Adobe Photoshop. If you are a non-graphics professional like me, Photoshop is one of those Adobe programs that may seem quite intimidating at first. It is true that Photoshop is a professional-grade tool, and as such, complexity and depth should be expected. Nevertheless, if you have the opportunity to use this iconic powerhouse, you definitely should. As an academic, I frequently need to make visuals for a course, an illustration for a publication, or perhaps a research poster for a conference. While there are several options in Creative Cloud to accomplish these tasks, none are quite as powerful and capable as Photoshop. I designed this course to teach you a few practical workflows in Photoshop that are sure to help you out with these commonly encountered tasks. These workflows are woven together in a 10-step process where we will create a composite image, such as this one. Asset management and image export workflows bookend the course. At the same time, the central focus is non-destructive image editing using adjustment layers and layer masks. These are workflows that help create multi-layer composites and compelling visual narratives. To aid you as you work through the course, I have created 3 standalone help documents: a simple step-by-step checklist, an annotated guide, and a comprehensive Spark page with visual aids. I recommend that you use these resources in conjunction with this video and pause between each step to review the work that you have done. After completing this course, you will have a basic understanding of working with layers non-destructively in Photoshop.